Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. This is a really cool song from Mississippi Fred McDowell. And I'm going to show you how to play that main riff, and I'm going to show you in a few different skill levels, so that everyone gets a chance to play it, because this is a really important riff and it's really fun to play. And the other cool part about it is it's super short. So, you know, you learn this riff in a day or two, and then you got yourself a whole new song and a new cool tuning that you might get to work on. So this is an open D. I'm going to show you the easiest way first, and then we'll add to it. So first, it's this. Okay, it's just these two parts. Let me slow that down. So the top part is going to go, so we're going 3-0, and then slide to 5 on the second string. 3-0, 5. The second part goes like this. On the third string, we're going 1-0, and then open first string. So all together, just the top part, it's 2, 3, 4. Okay. On top of that, we're doing this. Okay, and it's not just a normal boom chuck. This is one of those heavy boom chucks where we're really, on the chuck part, we're really giving it a lot of chuck this time, okay? So putting those two things together sounds like this. Okay, let's speed it up. This is a really fun one to play, so you'll notice once you kind of get the groove, you'll want to just keep going forever, okay? So that's the kind of the easy-ish riff. Let me show you a couple of the variations that you're going to hear other people play, and you're going to hear him play it in the studio version too. One thing is, he's playing with a slide. We're going to get to that in a moment, but I'm just going to show you a couple of the other parts before we get into that slide. So sometimes instead of this, he'll play that major third, highlighting that note a little bit more. Okay. Then the second half, sometimes you hear this. Okay, so when he does the bottom, sometimes we'll put that first finger down, back down, and kind of play it like that. Let me demonstrate that without the slide. 2, 3, 4. Okay, it just gives a little bit extra harmony, a little kind of extra cool chord, okay? What about with the slide? How is he doing that with the slide? Let's check that out too. So with the slide, it's the same thing. Also notice like the really dirty sound that we have there. We can clean that up, but just by using some left-hand muting. Top part, clean. Okay, clean means I'm muting the left hand, the strings here, underneath. Without muting, it sounds like this. Okay, because what's happening is this part back here makes noise when you're sliding around. So if you don't mute that, then it has that kind of cool delta sound, you know? It's part of the delta blues. And I like that sound where it's a little dirty. Clean. Dirty. I think it's so much more fun to play that way too. The clean one just doesn't sound, it doesn't have the right attitude. And that's, the whole part of this style of music is it's about the attitude and the feeling, the emotion. And I think getting that, even something silly like that, just like the dirty kind of slide sound, makes a big difference. So he's tapping his foot, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That might help, Also, I like to feel it sometimes like on the 2s and the 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is so much fun to play. 3, 4. There's like one other section of this song, and he does kind of something like this where he starts to go, which I think that's kind of cool sound too. And let me show you what I'm doing there. I'm basically just playing the 4th fret and then the 5th fret on the 5th string. He's going like this. 4th fret, 5th fret, 5th fret, 5th fret, 5th fret, 5th fret, 5th fret. So it's 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And he's including the low string. So he's going like that. And he really kind of speeds up on this section too. And then goes back into... kind of speeds up and then gets back into that thing. Now remember, this isn't about playing clean, guys. This is about having fun. It's about having good energy, and it's about playing with feeling. Those are the main things. So I think that's way more important than just trying to hit the right notes.